हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दी चैनल। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर इंडिगो के क्वेश्चन आंसर। थिंक एज यू रीड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, लिस्ट द प्लेसेस द गांधी विजिटेड बिटवीन हिज फर्स्ट मीटिंग विद शुक्ला एंड हिज अराइवल एट चंपारण। आंसर, Gandhi's first meeting with Shukla was at Lucknow. Then he went to Kanpur and other parts of India. He returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Later he went to Calcutta, Patna and Muzaffarpur before arriving at Champaran. Question number 2. Why did the peasants pay the British landlords as rent? What did the British now want instead and why? What would be the impact of synthetic indigo on the prices of natural indigo? Answer, the peasants paid the British landlord indigo as rent. Now Germany had developed synthetic indigo, so the British landlord wanted money as compensation for being released from the 15% arrangement. The prices of natural indigo would go down due to the synthetic indigo. Think as you read. Question number 1. The event in this part of the text illustrate Gandhi's method of working. Can you identify some instances of this method and link them to his ideas of satyagraha and non-violence? Answer, Gandhi's politics was intermingled with the day-to-day problems of the millions of Indians. He opposed unjust laws. He was ready to court arrest for breaking such laws and going to jail. The famous Dandi March to break the Celt law is another instance. The resistance and disobedience was peaceful and fight for truth and justice. This was linked directly to his ideas of satyagrahas and non-violence. Think as you read. Question number 1. Why did Gandhi agree to settlement of 25% refund to the farmers? Answer, for Gandhi, the amount of the refund was less important than the fact that the landlords had been forced to return part of the money and win it, part of their prestige too. So he agreed to settlement of 25% refund to the farmers. Question number 2. How did the episode change the plight of the peasants? Answer, the peasants were saved from spending time and money on court cases. After some years, the British planters gave up control of their estates. These now reverted to the peasant indigo. Sharecropping disappeared. Understanding the text. Question number 1. Why do you think Gandhi considered the Champaran episode to a turning point in his life? Answer, the Champaran episode began as an attempt to ease the suffering of large number of poor peasants. He got spontaneous support of thousands of people. Gandhi admits that what he had done was a very ordinary thing. He declared that the British could not order him about in his own country. Hence, he considered the Champaran episode as a turning point in his life. Question number 2. How was Gandhi able to influence lawyers? Give instance. Answer, Gandhi asked the lawyers what they would do if he was sentenced to prison. They said that they had come to advise him. If he went to jail, they would go to home. Then Gandhi asked them about the injustice to the sharecroppers. The lawyers held consultations. They come to the conclusion that he would be shameful desertion if they went home. So they told Gandhi that they were ready to follow him and into jail. Question number 3. What was the attitude of the average Indians in smaller localities towards advocates of home rule? Answer. The average Indians in smaller localities were afraid to show sympathy for the advocates of home rule. Gandhi stayed at Muzaffarpur for 2 days at the home of Professor Malkani, a teacher in a government school. It was an extraordinary thing in those days for a government professor to give shelter to one who opposed the government. Question number 4. How do we know that ordinary people too contributed to the freedom movement? Answer. Professor J.B. Kriplani received Gandhi at Muzaffarpur railway station at midnight. He had a large body of students with him. Sharecropper from Champaran came on foot and by conveyance to see Gandhi. Muzaffarpur lawyers too called on him. A vast multitude greeted Gandhi when he reached Motihari railway station. Thousands of people demonstrated around the court room. This shows that ordinary people too contributed to the freedom movement in India. Thank you so much for watching.